if you're setting up your YouTube channel, you will realize that sometimes when you're browsing through some other people's YouTube channels, right, at the bottom right at their channel art right there's actually these links that you can add in, okay, inclusive of like your social media links, your IG links, your Facebook page and things like that, right? How do you actually add all those links to your YouTube channel? Hey guys, this is Evan from DMC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel ads. Sometimes when you're going to some YouTube channel, you'll be able to see that's on the bottom right of their channel art. There's these icons right here, inclusive of like the call to actions that you can actually click to link to your third-party links. Like for example, most of the time that people will be adding in their social media icon, like Instagram's, LinkedIn, Facebook page, or perhaps sometimes you'll be able to add in your website as well. So on the website part, it's more towards to if whether or not you have your website, company websites, or else you can actually add in some call to action. So people will be actually doing like, for example, download the software, download the ebooks, you can actually put a call to action text over right here. So if you're observing over here, right, only the first link, only the positions, right, only the very first links over right here, you'll be able to add in the text right here, yeah? So follow us on Instagram. So how do you actually add in all these tags over right here? So what you can do is that you can just go under the customize the channel. Okay, click under the customize the channel, and we are going to edit all the links, right? So we're going to add in and edit all the links over right here. Okay, so under these customer channels, we are going to go under the about section. Okay, we are going to click under the about section. And here, you'll be able to see that, for example, you can actually put in your company description and information, right? So this is the main part, okay, the link sections right here. So if you can see, you can actually put in a few different links, and there's actually these, edit pencils right there. So you can just click under the edit pencil, and you'll be able to see something like this. Okay, maximums you can actually put in like 5 links from 0 to 5 and displaying at a custom arts right there, right? So if you can see from here, basically pretty straightforward. You can just add in the titles right here and also your links on the right hand side. Okay, so it goes in order format. The first one it will actually shows on the most left, and then all the way to the right. And how do you actually get the first one's Instagrams right here? Okay, so you can just put up a text like a call to action text for people to actually follow you, follow us on Instagram. And these URL links, right, if you're using a browser, you can just open up your browsers on web, okay, instagram.com, and once you're inside instagram.com, you can just search for your company profile, and this is the one that's my company, and you can see that you'll be able to get your Instagram links from here, right? So you can just copy your Instagram link and just come part that you're going to paste, and you're going to post your Instagram. Now, once you're done, you can just click on Save Changes, the done buttons over right here, and you'll be able to see all this link that is displaying right here, and basically check out your channel. So it will be actually showing on tops of your channel arts over right here. So basically, that's all. In this video, we'd like to share with you how to actually link your Instagram profiles or perhaps all your other social media profiles to YouTube channel ads. You can leave a comment below and share with us, your Instagram profile links or perhaps your YouTube channel links with us. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon, so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.